So one thing to be careful of when you're getting into M&A is it's very tempting just to kind of Google everything, and try and figure out how to do it. The challenge is finding decent quality information, because a lot of the websites are designed by brokers as sort of lead capture mechanism. A lot of the books are written by advisors as a way of trying to kind of play up the value that advisors bring to a transaction. And so consequently, what you end up doing is you end up reading a very one-dimensional version of how to do things, and also quite often taken from a very corporate perspective. So often these advisors are people that have worked on large transactions, so they sound very credible and it sounds like a great idea. But if you're targeting owner-managed businesses like I do, it's a completely different kettle of fish. In fact, it has almost no similarities with a corporate transaction whatsoever. And in fact, following a lot of that advice can be quite counterproductive. So yeah, I would always be a little bit wary about where you get the information from. Check it's really relevant to the type of transaction that you want to do, rather than more kind of generalist information or even textbook information. Because again, textbook information, one of the biggest challenges there is a lot of it's rooted in logic and kind of accepted practice. It's not really based on battle hardened tactics where they've actually gone out into the real world and executed this stuff. And the problem with logic is, in business, nothing is really logical. Things don't ever seem to work in the way that you would expect them to. And so consequently, trying to use logic to solve the problems instead of experience to solve problems can often leave you not getting the desired outcome. So it sounds great when you read it, all makes sense, doesn't work. So go out and learn the right way.